Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treat. There it is. Rice Krispie Treat. 5 out of 10 flushes. I'm going to be reviewing Snowballs. Apparently they're white chocolate and pretzels. I've got Lizzie Elizabeth in here. Say hello, Lizzie.
Hello.
Hi, Bing Bing. You gonna say hello, sweetheart? Okay. That's a hello for her. Lizzie, would you like to try some Snowballs?
No, thank you.
No, thank you? Okay. Are you getting cold in here?
Yes.
I think the snow's picking up. 3 out of 10 flushes. The blizzard is here and it's really coming down now. What I'm about to review is the Canada Dry Vanilla Bean Ginger Ale. 3 out of 10 flushes.